Hi guys, I don't know how you found me. I'm happy you're here. My name is Jennifer. This is bacon wrapped cheese ravioli. Comes together in no time, perfect appetizer for the summer or anytime you're entertaining, and it really works well on the grill. If you have a grill, you can cook this on the grill. So if you want to know how to make this and get the recipe, keep watching. Here's the ingredients for bacon wrapped ravioli. I'm using cheese ravioli. They're thawed. I have a package of bacon. I'm going to cut that in half, and you can use any spices you like. I'm using the tahine as they pronounce it. It's a chili lime salt seasoning. You can use brown sugar. You can use chili powder. You can use a jalapeno pepper powder. I took my bacon tray and lined it with foil and put the rack on top. My oven is preheated to 375 degrees, set at the top rack. These cook for about 15 to 20 minutes just till the bacon's done. So let me get everything set up. Let's get cooking. Okay, so you want to cut your bacon in half. Okay, you want to take your thawed ravioli, and I'm using the thin end of the bacon. You just want to wrap it around. I'm going to wrap it the other way because I want, that's one. That didn't wrap well, so I'm going to put it face side down. There we go. And I'm just doing a few of these. These are for me. You guys got any holidays coming up, which we do here in the States? This is something different, and these definitely cook on the grill. They're fabulous if you have a grill. You can throw them on the grill. But I'm going to put them in the oven at 375 degrees. My oven is preheated. I cut the bacon in half. And this is thin cut bacon. Thicker cut bacon will have to cook a lot longer. So you just have to be mindful. These will cook for about 25 to 30 minutes. Then you want to take some tagine, and I'm going to wipe this off with bleach when I'm finished, because I am touching raw meat. You just want to sprinkle some tagine or whatever spices you like. They have a fabulous jalapeno and pepper seasoning, or you can use brown sugar, like I said, or chili powder, whatever you like. A little bit of seasoning. Okay, they're all set. I'm going to put these in the oven 375 for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, there they are after 25 minutes. You can hear the crunch. Done. Bacon is completed. Nice crispy little snack. I'm going to get everything set up to tell you guys my joke. I want to thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. These are perfect for little holiday appetizers if you want to set them out. And I've got ranch and I've got sriracha if you want to use that for dipping, or you just eat them plain. Okay, here's my joke. My name is Alice Smith, and I was sitting in the waiting room for my first appointment with a new dentist. I noticed his DDS diploma, which showed his full name. Suddenly, I remember this tall, handsome, dark-haired boy with the same name who had been to high school with me some 40 years ago. Could this be the same guy who I had a secret crush on way back then? Upon seeing him, however, I quickly discarded such thoughts. This pulled-in, gray-haired man with deeply lined face was way too old to be my classmate. After examining my teeth, I asked him if he attended Morgan Park High School. Yeah, I did, he beams with pride. When did you graduate? I asked. He answered 1959. Why do you ask? You were in my class, I exclaimed. He looked at me closely. Then that ugly old bald wrinkled, fat, gray, decrepit son of a gun asked, what did I teach? That is terrible. But anyway, please give this recipe a try. If you like videos like this, please hit the subscribe button. More importantly, comment and share. I respond to all my comments. These are absolutely delicious. I took some to work in a Ziploc bag and warmed them up in the microwave. And I showed you a couple dipping sauce choices, ranch or sriracha. You can do honey mustard, hot sauce, buffalo sauce, whatever you like. And you don't really need a dipping sauce. Perfect for entertaining. And like I said, you can put these on the grill and cook them on the grill or smoker. You just want to cook them till the bacon's done, because the cheese raviolis are thawed. So thanks for watching once again. God bless. Peace to all of you. And may God be with you. And I hope to see you on the next one. And God bless your family.